What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the shop. We have yet another project we're working on today. I have my wife's car in the garage right now, and we got to fix the AC compressor on it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, and I'll show you the process of what it takes to get this in and out and back on the road. I'm Bo, and this is a Blacktop Nomad. Okay, so let's first look at the part that we're going to have to remove. We have our AC compressor right down in here, and this is where we're going to be needing to get to remove. We have a couple bolts we need to get to, and we have a few lines to remove, but the first thing we're going to have to do is take off our accessory drive belt. And to do that, we're going to need a 15mm wrench, and we're going to have to put it right on this tensioner pulley right here, relieve the tension, and remove the belt. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so right down in there, you can see there's a little electrical connector. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a pick to the base end of it, raise it up just gently enough to get it off of the clip, and then just pry that clip out nice and slow. All right, once that's removed, we're gonna start working on getting the three 15mm bolts. You can see two from the top here. We're gonna try and take those out. Get those extracted, try and get the pulley a little looser and a little more workable. So let's go ahead and try and extract those out. All right, so to get to that last bolt, what I'm gonna actually do is remove the passenger front wheel. So to do that, I'm gonna jack it up from the frame because my pinch welds are actually getting a little bit crusty at this point. And to do that, I'm also gonna need a flathead screwdriver, 1/2-inch breaker bar with lug nuts, and a 19 3/4-inch socket, whatever you have handy. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Now once you're in here, you see this beauty cover right here, and you're going to want to pry out these two little plastic nuts that hold this cover in place so you can access your AC compressor from the bottom side. So let's go ahead and take those off. All right, so from there you can see now we have access to that third bolt back in there and should be able to access to pull down on the compressor and pull it out from there. So let's go ahead and take that third bolt out. Okay, it might be a little hard to see, but you have the bolt that holds the two AC lines on the back, and then there's two more nuts you got to extract off the back side of the compressor, and once those are off, it should be free. So here you can see the new pump next to the old pump. So this is how the new pump comes, and it comes with a cover and a bolt in this hole, but so that means you actually have to extract the threaded rod out of your old compressor and thread it back into your new one before you put it back in the car. So tighten it down, throw it back in there like that. All right, and there it is, running, and now it's ready to go, be taken to have the AC recharged. So it's kind of a really abridged version of how this repair is done. All you need is a 15mm wrench, a 15mm socket, and a ratchet, and then a couple little plastic pry tools, and this is a pretty simple job. Well, I just got the car back from having the AC recharge. Car's still running great. Air's blowing cold. That's all we can ask for. So that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to get ready to head out of here. Hope to see you guys out there. Take care, everybody.